Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to share with you my 1-month experience with the L'Oreal Professionnel Absolut Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Now those two claim to help you with damaged hair and also bring back the shine. Now, before the current situation, I used to dye my hair quite a lot in blue, green, purple, white, grey, etc. You can also find it on my channel, and I've damaged it quite a lot, but also because of the current situation I had to cut it and also get back to the natural color since I can't dye it anymore. And still I was missing that shine, and I just want to see how far I can go with those two when I'm using them on a daily basis so that it looks healthy again. And so this is what I've done. I've also taken before and afters, as well as also included a little how to use, how I use it in the shower. So let's get into it. So I always wash my hair in the morning since I'm a morning person, and I started off with the shampoo where I also used a tiny amount of it since I have short hair. And if you have longer hair, you also may want to wish to use a bit more. Then I started to gently massage it through the hair so that it also can bubble up, and it feels very gentle, and the scent of it is also very pleasant. And then I also rinsed it thoroughly with water. Then I moved on to the conditioner, and I also was trying to use a tiny amount of it, but this is a bit tricky since the opening of the bottle is very large, and so with someone with short hair it still feels like you're using a lot. So you're either ending up with having too much product on your hair, or you're going to wash it off and you're wasting so much product. But either way, I also used it through the tips of my hair, and you can instantly feel that they're getting softer while going through it. And then also, of course, rinse it again with water. So I did prepare some weekly updates so that you can also see the changes a bit better, and maybe this will already help you to make a decision whether or not you should get the Absolut Repair shampoo and conditioner. Now let's have a look at the first week. So on day 1, this is what my hair looked like without even a shampoo and conditioner. I haven't used it at that time, and it looks not too bad in the sense of really damaged and frizzy since I have short hair, but you still can see that the tips are not looking that great. It looks matte and dull. And also, compared to day 7, it did give me already some amazing improvements only doing that 1 week while using it every morning. So you can see that my hair looks way healthier, and the shine is definitely there, and it looks and also feels like much smoother. And this is also the level that it kept going while I was using it on a daily basis over the next week. So here you can see what the hair looks like over the 2nd week, as well as also what it looks like on the 3rd week, and also the last week. I can say that since this is also over time where my hair grew, I've noticed that the tips were getting smoother, so that if we are going to see how they are basically laying and also falling, it looks much better. And so just that you have a comparison from day 1 to day 28, this is the major change that has happened over the entire month. So you clearly can tell that the shampoo and conditioner did work based on making the hair smooth and shiny. And it also definitely looks way healthier. Now I've also taken pictures from the back. I do have to admit that this is where you not really see the changes happening on basically in the picture, but it still felt really healthy. And if you're going to have a look at the tips of my hair, this is what it looked like on day 1, day 7, day 14 and day 28. So since the shampoo and conditioner did help to make the tips a bit smoother, I definitely could feel a difference, and also how it basically would fall when after I have blow dried my hair. And so here you can also see a little bit more of a close-up what my hair currently looks like. This was recorded this morning, and I just really feel that the shampoo and conditioner did an amazing job based on how it performed on my hair. Now I do have to mention that since I have short hair and not really extremely damaged hair, you could argue that if you're going to use the shampoo and conditioner while having longer hair and a little bit more frizz or also broken tips, it may need a bit longer to also work or show you some results. But it definitely did something to the hair. So it started off with the shine, and then the smoothness and healthy looking hair moved on like over the entire month. So I definitely can tell that the shampoo and conditioner are working. So I do also hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, also don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!